안녕하세요, 여러분. Welcome back to the Basic Korean series. Today's lesson is about what's in the room. 방에 뭐가 있어요? Before we dive into today's expressions, let's start by understanding the grammar. The word 방 means room in English. The particle 에 translates to at, in, on, and is attached after a noun, particularly time or location nouns. Today we'll learn how to use 에 after location nouns. When 에 is attached after 방, it indicates in the room. The word 뭐 means what. The particle 가 identifies the subject of a sentence. Lastly, 있어요 translates to have or to exist in English. In today's lesson, we'll use it as to exist, and it'll be used to indicate the existence of something in a specific location. It can also be translated as there is, there are. So the title of today's topic, 방에 뭐가 있어요, translates to what's in the room. When answering this question, simply switch 뭐가 to the corresponding object. For example, you can say 방에 침대가 있어요, meaning there's a bed in the room, or 방에 옷장이 있어요, indicating there's a closet in the room. Remember, if the subject ends without a final consonant 받침, use 가 after it. And if the subject ends with a final consonant 받침, use 이 after it. I have discussed the difference between the particles 가 and 이 in another video, so if you're curious, please refer to that for further clarification. The link is in the description below. Now let's learn today's vocabulary. 뭐 있어요, 방 거실 부엌 침대 소파 냉장고 옷장 책장 식탁 Now let's learn today's phrases. 방에 뭐가 있어요? 방에 뭐가 있어요? 방에 침대가 있어요. 방에 침대가 있어요. 거실에 뭐가 있어요? 거실에 뭐가 있어요? 거실에 소파가 있어요. 거실에 소파가 있어요. 부엌에 뭐가 있어요? 부엌에 뭐가 있어요? 부엌에 냉장고가 있어요. 부엌에 냉장고가 있어요. 방에 뭐가 있어요? 방에 뭐가 있어요? 방에 옷장이 있어요. 방에 옷장이 있어요. 거실에 뭐가 있어요? 거실에 뭐가 있어요? 거실에 책장이 있어요. 거실에 책장이 있어요. 부엌에 뭐가 있어요? 부엌에 뭐가 있어요? 부엌에 식탁이 있어요. 부엌에 식탁이 있어요. Here are the things we learned today. Don't forget to review them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. 감사합니다.